to one totally different by just activating a different theme. New pages can be quickly added for any special purpose. Content can be grouped by custom tags or categories added on the fly. However, all this flexibility comes at a price. WordPress is a pretty complex application. In this video, I'm going to explain just how WordPress works so that you can get a better grasp of what's required to build a custom theme. So, visitors first requesting the initial WordPress page, index.php, starts the whole ball rolling, just like viewing any web page. The next thing that happens is WordPress activates the themes. This is actually the first line of the executable source code in the WordPress index.php file. WordPress then checks to see which template files are present. WordPress works with a series of template files that it dynamically assembles to create the desired page. And it has to know which template files are present so that it can know which ones to bring together. Next, it gathers the settings that are stored in the database. This includes all the default settings and any ones that have been customized, like the title of the site, for example. Then it retrieves a specified number of most recent posts. You can set how many posts you want shown through the dashboard's general settings. Certain information, like post data, is stored in a variable, and this includes data about the post, like the title, author, date of post, and comments, otherwise known as metadata, as well as the content of the post itself. Finally, it outputs the data into a theme page, according to the coded layout and CSS styles applied. Developing this presentation layer will be the main focus of this course. As you can see, there's a lot going on, and it happens in the blink of an eye. And this is just for the home page. WordPress is capable of displaying all types of pages, including those for specific posts, archives, posts under a particular category, or with a specific tag. One of the key paths to developing custom themes is to understand what happens when these and other types of pages are requested. Remember this step, where WordPress checks to see which template files are present? A theme doesn't have to have a specific file for every type of page. WordPress has a template hierarchy built in that determines what to do if a needed file is missing. Let me give you an example. Let's say that a site visitor clicks on the author's name, mine in this example, to see all the posts that he wrote. First, WordPress looks to see if there's a template that combines the author prefix with the author's so-called nice name, defined in the user's profile, and uses that if there is. If there's not, it looks for one with the user ID. If that's not there, it tries to display the generic author.php template. Should that template be unavailable, it looks for a theme-specific archive.php. And if that's not there, ultimately, it uses the index.php template. The WordPress template hierarchy covers all the different use cases. You can see a complete diagram on the wordpress.org site. The template hierarchy gives custom theme developers a tremendous degree of control. You can basically decide how much you want to fine-tune the layout of your theme on a page-by-page basis. Now that you have a better understanding of how WordPress works with themes in general, you're ready to dive a bit deeper into how an individual theme page is constructed.